Okay, Tommy, you can do this. First day, new job, big company. Mom said believe in yourself. So, I believe. Oh no, no, no!
Hey! First day?
Is it that easy to see?
Your name tag is upside down.
Thank you. I am Tommy. Tommy Park.
I am Maya. I work here 5 years now. Welcome to Everlight. This company makes the best technology in the world. And the CEO, he is very special.
Special? What do you mean?
Mr. Daniel West. He built this company from nothing. But he is very serious, very quiet. Nobody knows much about him.
Is he nice?
He is fair, but cold, like winter morning. Beautiful but cold.
You are the new intern?
Yes, sir. I am Tommy Park. I am very happy to...
Your job is simple. Work hard. Do not make mistakes. Do not waste time.
Yes, sir. I will work very hard. This job means everything to me.
Park, your mother. What is her name?
My mother? Her name is Sarah. Sarah Park. Why do you ask, sir?
No reason. Go to work. Sarah? He looks like you.
My son? How was your first day?
Interesting, Mom. The CEO is a strange man. He asked about you.
He asked about me?
Yes. He asked your name. Do you know him, Mom?
No, I do not know anyone important. He probably asks all new workers.
Come, dinner is ready.
Tommy, it is 9 p.m. Go home.
I cannot. The big project is next week. I want to help.
You are just an intern. You do not need to...
I want to show I am good enough. That I belong here.
Be careful, Tommy. This company, It takes everything from you.
And now, the final numbers.
These numbers make no sense. Is this a joke?
I do not understand. This is not right. I think I made a mistake. I was fixing the file last night. I must have.
YAU? You touched the main file? An intern?
I wanted to help. I thought I could.
You thought? You thought? Mr. West, this boy destroyed our biggest deal.
Leave the room. Everyone. Except the intern. Mr. West, I am so sorry. I only wanted to help. I worked so hard and I just...
You know what you did?
Yes, sir.
You cost this company millions. You made me look foolish in front of everyone. You cannot fix this. You are fired.
Please, Mr. West, this job, my mom, we need this money. I have no father. My mom works 2 jobs.
Pack your things. Leave by tonight.
Why? Why are you so cold? Do I mean nothing to you?
You mean more than you know.
What?
Go. Go. Now. What have I done? Sarah? What have I done to our boy?
I'm fired, Mom.
The CEO, he was so cruel.
But why did he ask about you? Daniel West is your father. His rich family forced us apart 22 years ago. He thought he was protecting us by leaving.
He knew who I was today, and he still fired me. You left us, and when you finally find me, you fire me?
I had to. If people knew our connection, they would never respect you.